Igniting Your Journey, Social Media Marketing Strategies for Profit and Channel Growth. Introduction. Embark on a transformative journey of financial success with our guide on effective social media marketing strategies. Discover how to amplify your content's reach, increase your online earnings, and motivate your audience to subscribe to the Make Money channel for ongoing insights. 1. The power of social media marketing. Uncover the impact of social media on content dissemination and audience engagement. Explore how leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can exponentially increase your content's visibility. 2. Creating shareable content. Learn the art of crafting content that resonates with your audience and compels them to share. Explore the psychology behind shareable content and its role in organic reach expansion. 3. Engaging with your audience. Dive into the importance of active engagement on social media platforms. Discover strategies for fostering a community, responding to comments, and building a loyal audience. 4. Utilizing hashtags and trends. Harness the power of hashtags to enhance the discoverability of your content. Understand how aligning with trending topics can propel your content into the social media spotlight. 5. Collaborations and cross-promotions. Explore the benefits of collaborating with other content creators in your niche. Learn how cross-promotions can introduce your channel to new audiences, fostering growth. 6. Live streams and interactive content. Delve into the world of live streams and interactive content. Understand how real-time engagement enhances the viewer experience and encourages subscriptions. 7. Analyzing social media insights. Learn how to use analytics tools to measure the performance of your social media efforts. Utilize data-driven insights to refine your marketing strategies for optimal results. 8. Encouraging subscriptions for exclusive content. Motivate your audience to subscribe to Make Money for exclusive content and advanced marketing tutorials. Highlight the benefits of being part of a community focused on financial success and channel growth. Conclusion. Elevate your content and financial prospects by implementing these dynamic social media marketing strategies. Subscribe to Make Money for continuous guidance on turning your passion into profit through effective online marketing. Your journey to success begins now.